Welcome to Probuse Consulting Service Pvt Limited, a trusted Odoo solution provider specializing in Odoo apps, implementation, customization, migration, integration, and support. We developed this module to give sales representatives and external agents a simple way to create quotations for their assigned customers without providing full Odoo backend access, while keeping customer access, pricing, and quotation controls secure. Let's go through the complete functional flow. First, the administrator configures the sales representative or agent. The dedicated sales representative security group can be assigned to the required user so that the user gets access to the quotation functionality. Next, customers can be assigned to sales representatives. On the customer form, the administrator can use the standard salesperson field or the dedicated sales agents field to assign one or multiple representatives or agents to that customer. This assignment controls which customers the sales representative can work with. Once the configuration is complete, the sales representative can access the quotation functionality from the customer-facing interface. The homepage provides a dedicated sales representative quotations option along with the quotation count. From here, the representative can see the quotations they have already submitted and can create a new quotation. Let's create a new quotation. When the representative opens the quotation form, the customer dropdown only displays customers assigned to the logged-in sales representative or agent. Customers assigned to other representatives are not available. This ensures that the sales representative cannot create quotations for unauthorized customers. After selecting the customer, the representative can start adding products. Quotation lines can be added dynamically using the Add Line option. For every line, the representative selects the required product and enters the quantity. Multiple products can be added to the same quotation as required. The representative does not manually enter the selling price. Once the product is selected, Odoo automatically calculates the applicable price using the selected customer's configured price list. The unit of measure and applicable price are handled automatically by Odoo. This is especially important because it prevents sales representatives from entering or manipulating prices manually and ensures that the quotation follows the company's configured pricing rules. After adding all required products and quantities, the representative can submit the quotation. Before submission, the system validates the required information and quotation lines. Once submitted, Odoo creates the quotation in draft state. The purpose of this draft-first workflow is to allow the internal sales or back-office team to review the quotation before it is confirmed. After successful submission, the representative receives a confirmation page with the quotation reference. The representative can then return to the quotation list and see the quotation along with its current status and customer information. They can open the quotation to review the details in a read-only view. This allows representatives to track their submitted quotations while preventing them from modifying or deleting quotations after submission. Now let's move to the Odoo backend and see how the internal team manages these quotations. The quotation created by the sales representative appears in the standard Odoo sales quotation workflow. The backend user can immediately identify that the quotation was created by a sales agent through the Created by Sales Agent indication. The quotation also stores the sales agent information, providing clear traceability of who submitted the quotation. The internal sales team can review the customer, products, quantities, prices, and other quotation information using the standard Odoo quotation form. They can then make any necessary internal changes and continue with the normal Odoo sales workflow, including reviewing and confirming the quotation. The module also provides dedicated filters and group by options, making it easier for internal users to identify quotations created by sales representatives and analyze them by sales agent. The chatter notification generated during submission provides additional visibility and helps the back office team track when a quotation was submitted. The security workflow works throughout the entire process. Sales representatives and agents can only access customers assigned to them. They can only access their permitted quotation records. They can create quotations through the dedicated interface, but they do not receive unrestricted access to the Odoo backend. They cannot manually submit pricing through the quotation form, and submitted quotations cannot be modified or deleted from the self-service interface. This creates a clear separation between quotation submission by the sales representative and quotation review and management by the internal sales team. So the complete workflow is straightforward. The administrator assigns the customer to a sales representative or agent. The representative accesses the quotation interface. They select and assign customer. They add products and quantities. Odoo automatically calculates the prices according to the customer's price list. The representative submits the quotation. The quotation is created in draft state. The representative receives the quotation reference and can track it from the quotation list. Finally, the internal sales team reviews the quotation from the Odoo backend and continues with the standard sales process. This module is particularly useful for wholesale and distribution businesses, manufacturing companies with field sales teams, trading companies, B2B service providers, equipment and machinery suppliers, automotive parts distributors, pharmaceutical and healthcare distributors, IT and software resellers, and any organization working with external sales agents or regional sales partners. With Sales Representative's Quotation, businesses can provide sales agents with a simple self-service quotation process while maintaining strict control over customers, pricing, security, and internal approval. This brings the complete quotation process into Odoo, reduces dependency on emails and spreadsheets, improves quotation turnaround time, and provides complete back-end traceability. Thank you for watching. For Odoo implementation, customization, migration, integration, mobile application development, AI solutions, and support, contact ProBu's Consulting Service PVT Limited.